So this is the challenge we have. Yeah. I got an accident, so got damaged. Yeah.
Check my body.
Okay. When you move to Asia, at my age, there are some things you will experience. So growing up in Africa, it's like a whole movie. Guys, this video is a freestyle Roba-doba adventures for life. Raining. Yeah. It's raining. Wow, wow, wow. I like it when it rains. Woo. So here, this is the American embassy. So this one you see. Actually, this place is only having many embassies. Yeah, I'll show you. So this is the heart of Bangkok, Thailand. Yeah. So I don't want to close this window here because I want to experience the rains. Look, the rains on my body. Hey, I feel so hot. Guys, life in Thailand. I hired the whole bus. I hired the entire bus. Ika, Sawadika, I want to take video, okay? So guys, I hired the whole bus. I'm the only person in the bus. Yes, the driver. BTS? Yeah. Okay. So what is this next? Look at it. When you want to get out of the bus, you click here. Oh, you guys, it is raining. I don't know if I'm safe. Where should I start from? My bus has left. Guys, it's raining in Thailand. I want to catch the Skytrain. Look at this lady. Hello, mama. Sawadika. Guys, this video is a freestyle Roba-doba. Everyone is laughing at me. Welcome to Thailand, the land of the free. Oh. So, this is Silom. Yeah, this is Silom. I want to catch a Skytrain here and we see what next. Where should I pass from here? Huh? This is a mall. Yeah, this is a mall. Motorbike guys are here, you see? Those are motorbike guys. Ooh. So, basically, I need to go up here. Yes? And take a walk to the BTS. So, let's pass here. Let's run. It's raining. No giving up. Look at the skyscrapers. Look at it. Wow. This is just magic. Now, look at the highway. I told you guys, when it starts to rain, There is too much traffic, okay? Traffic congestion in Bangkok. Look. Those guys, can you see them? So, what are you saying? Huh? What are you saying, guys? I missed this. This is what exactly I really wanted. Yeah. So far so good. We're trying to make sure that we bring out all kinds of content to bring it to you on your screen. So this is a new one. What if my camera falls down? Whom do I report to? Yeah? Let us see what to do. Let us see. Let us see if we can buy a ticket here. Need to buy a ticket to somewhere. So this is 1,000 bahts, and it is one of the biggest notes of Thailand. Okay, this is their big money. Yeah, 1,000 bahts. This is how it looks. It has the king, His Majesty. Okay. Sawadee krap. Ticket.
Sure.
Yeko boko.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm here at the ticket machines, and I'm going to buy a single journey train or a single journey trip. And if you don't buy the ticket from here, you can go to the other machine. So let's see how much does it cost. How much?
55.
Oh, 65,
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So this is 100 baht. Guys, this is the balance. This is the 20 baht. This is the note. And still there is the Majesty. The Majesty is here. Yeah, the King of Thailand. So this is the next one that follows the 1,000 baht. This is 500 baht. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You click here. You click, put the card, and the machine opens. Okay. And I'm going to go up here until to the last platform. Let me rush before my battery goes off. I want you to see how I can take a train. You can use the stairs, but also you can still use the lift, okay? The elevator. Yeah. Now here we go to the tracks. I've always told you that when you're in Bangkok, you don't need to get a taxi or a cab. No, that is like too much traffic. Yeah. Oh, okay. So guys, when you come to Bangkok and you want to maneuver traffic, do one thing. You take a motorbike, or you can decide to take a Skytrain. You can beat traffic. If you don't do that, you take a taxi, bus, etc. You might reach late where you're going. So let's just wait for the train and see. The train should be coming from this side and heading to these hills. Okay. If big companies are still advertising their brands, who am I to ask you kindly to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to support your boy? I also need to be somewhere. Guys, please help me and do a favor. It is raining cats and dogs outside. Let me first give you this one before I tell you a short story. Wow, see what is happening outside. Okay, story time with a cup of tea. Yes. Guys, greetings everyone. How are you doing? Hope you're doing fine. New members to the channel, my name is William. I'm a Ugandan content creator. Right now, I'm based here in Thailand. And if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for returning back. This is black tea. Yeah. Why am I taking black tea? I'll tell you a story. So, first things first. It is raining heavily outside. And this is something that I wanted to share with you. In Thailand, when it is raining, you can't believe that inside the house, the humidity is really high. It is hot inside. You need to turn on the air conditioner and also maybe the fan. Story time. Yeah, make sure to stick around. I tell you a story. Yeah? What is happening? So, comparing life in Asia and Africa. When you move to Asia, at my age, there are some things you will experience. That when it is raining outside, someone might have thought of maybe having milk or like preparing milk. You do porridge etc. So I find it very difficult for someone to take hot tea while you're in Thailand and it is raining. You just need a cold drink, either smoothie or any juice. So today I want to try out black tea as it is raining, and I tell you a short story. This is a story that maybe most of you have gone through as when you were kids. Yeah. So growing up in Africa, it's like a whole movie. Growing up in Africa, it is like a whole movie. When it rains outside, when you're in Africa, back in the days when I was still a kid and my friends, we could just see that as a party because we could rejoice, feel happy as kids. Tomorrow we shall not go to school. We shall not go to the farms. And also during that time when it is raining or that season, we tend to go to maybe to a hidden place, somehow a hilly place, or hilly place. So as kids we could get time, take off our clothing, go to like a small field. After getting there, we start running around while we are showering the rains. Sometimes we look at a place that has a trench. or a drainage, yeah, a small drainage. You can call it a channel or whatever. So we could find a place where to swim from. Can you imagine when you're a young kid? You know, parents will treat typhoid, will treat other diseases, but they don't really know the root cause of why the kids get sick. And right now, the memories just returned back. I felt like I wish I was in Africa. I wish I was in Africa. And I wish I was still a kid. Right now I could just take off my clothing and, go and do myself the best. When it rains, there is a tendency of traffic jam, traffic congestion everywhere. That's why people want to stay indoors, watch movies. Well, now this is a question to you guys. For those of you who are in Europe, North America, when it rains, what really happens? Because when it used to rain back home in the villages in Africa, we could cook porridge, milk, maybe also prepare something like I don't know how they call it, but we do like traditional fire gathering. So we can go to the farms, we harvest some maize or corn. So harvesting that corn, you bring it back home and you roast, you roast or you burn the maize. So that's basically what we used to do. And also we could have like sweet potatoes. We also do the same. We just burn, we eat, and life continues. Sometimes we go back to just go to the bed without even taking a shower. But not in all the families. Some families, yeah, because you took shower before, and why do you have to take shower again? But the kids of this generation, the kids that we are giving birth, I don't think they will have such experiences. I don't know how you used to do it in your home countries, for those of you who are watching. Nowadays kids go to swimming pools, they go to recreation centers, they have many activities to do. For us, we had no swimming pools. Yeah, I don't want to hide. Yeah. We had no swimming pools, so we just find where to swim from, maybe ponds. Yeah, and life used to be so much pretty. Yeah. I don't know how you used to do it. Let's sip the coffee. So hot. But anyway, we have no choice. And to make matters worse, you see here in Thailand, when it is raining, as I told you, in some condos, you have to turn on your AC and the fan. But in Africa, now that is the big, the beauty of Africa. Yeah? The beauty of Africa is that Africa is generally beautiful. But we have poor leaders. Leaders who are greedy. Leaders who want to satisfy their needs and their families. And leaders who want to overstay in power, and leaders who don't want to think about the the common people. But apart from that, life in Africa is generally the best. So in Africa, especially Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, etc., when it rains like this, people will put on jackets. Someone will need to maybe to go to a fireplace just to get close to the fire, because it is really, it will be cold, like really cold, which is not the case in Asia. It is hot. I feel like even undressing myself, you know, and it is raining. Now this applies to you guys, where you're living or where you're residing, where you're staying. How is it? What do you do? How do you survive the rains? I have some ginger here. This is ginger. My grandmom and my granddad will gather us as grandkids. They start to tell us about the stories of long ago, how people used to live. They tell us the idioms. They tell us how, you know, how they grew up. Because the funny thing is that during those days when we were growing up, the internet was really not so much, and our grandparents, they were not so much, actually they were not familiar with the internet. I wish during that time smartphones were there, the internet was like everywhere. You know, I could go and revisit the content and see. Hey checky beautiful people, how are you doing? This video is a continuation of a video that I made taking my computer to a technician. Unfortunately yesterday the guy failed me. He failed me big time, so I decided to use other options. So right now I'm going to a certain mall, and this mall is known for great technicians. Okay, this mall has great technicians for phones, laptops, iPads, radios, TV, etc. So my computer got a crack, not on the screen but on the body. So I'm told I have to buy a new laptop or fix it, but the maintenance that is needed really costs some good money. I feel like, should I buy a new laptop or should I keep my old laptop as, you know, I plan ahead? And you guys, I want to ask you, come with me. Let's go to the mall and see if I'll find someone to fix my laptop. And in case if you're coming to Thailand and you have, maybe you encounter the same challenge, you can also go to this mall. The mall name is called Zeer. Hello. Alright, so I'm inside this mall where I've brought my computer for repair. These are all computer shops here. I'm at Zeer Mall. Need to look for a technician. Sawadee. Yes, mister. Huh? You don't speak English?
No.
Say hello.
Hello.
So guys, this is the man that is actually, let me first show him my laptop. My laptop has a problem.
ดี้หรือเปล่า
Yeah, broken. Seriously. Guys, you see my laptop is really broken. I got an accident. You see? This is the laptop. Do you think I should buy a new one or still kinda strong? Don't know what to do. I have the charger. Okay. The problem is only this one. No.
โอเค
This is the only problem.
อ๋อมันทับมันแต่คนเราดูซ่อมหน้าโอเคช่องคิดอะไร
ฟิกอะ
ภาษาอะไรบ้างผมเห็นเอง
Okay. She's doing translate to translate to me what is needed. If they're gonna fix it, then what is needed? Do I need like a new body, like a computer body? Oh. They are saying finger repair costs 700. Huh? Can you replace the body?
New body no have
นิว
spare part
น้องแฮสปัน
You don't have?
no have
Oh,
no have
so you mean you don't all these old computers? You don't have this body
model
for Asus?
model not have
This is old model or old new model?
no have ไม่มีคนลองดูรุ่นนี้ไม่มี
So you charge 700 baht
ฟิกได้
fix, but you fix it. How do you fix it to look nice?
บอดี้
Okay, this is what they are saying. The body for this model is no longer available.
ไอ้ยูเช็คเป็นคอมพิวเตอร์เนาะลองดูไหมบอดี้นิวยูเช็คเนี่ยเปรมคอมพิวเตอร์
How much do they charge?
I don't know
ไอ้โนเนี่ยไอ้เปรมเช็คไอ้ช็อปไอ้เปรมคอมช็อป
Oh.
โมเดลใช่บอดี้
Can you send your son to ask because me I cannot speak Thai.
อ๋อเหรอเอาใช่
ส่วนใหญ่เขา
สปีกไทยอย่างเดียว
That's what should I do? I'm kind of a bit stressed. Should I buy a new body? Should I buy a new laptop? Because for a new laptop I don't have right now funds. But
สปีก
I speak. Can you negotiate the prices of the new body from the other shop? No.
อ๋อ
So I'm asking them to go and negotiate from the other shop because they can easily speak Thai with each other and it will simplify work than me going there and start translating because they already know my
ลอง
challenge.
ถ่ายรูปแล้วถามว่าเป็น
Yeah, so guys, this is my challenge. Okay, you see the computer is on.
จะมีอีกทีพริกสะพาย
Okay, so this is the challenge I have. Yeah. I got an accident, so got damaged.
เช็คไอ้บอดี้
Okay, check body.
ไลฟ์เฟรมเช็คบอดี้
Okay. Told you here they fix computers. Yeah, they also have computer games. And they do have many things. If you're looking for a new laptop, you want to buy cameras, music systems, guitars, speakers, amplifiers, you can always look out at Zeer. Zeer. Z-E-E-R. It is just located in Rangsi. Look at this one. These are beautiful. Guys, a few moments later, so this is it, huh? Anyway, I think this will just work for a short period of time as I'm setting myself. Yeah. So look, if you saw it in the first place, and let's try to open. Oh, how is it? So this is after. I think they just replaced this item. This one. Oh. They just replaced this here. Because it was totally broken. So far so good, like 4 months. Yeah. Alright, so this is the lady behind. What is your name? Chuala.
Siphon.
Siphon. You make this laptop? She's
COD. Shop COD.
Oh, your name? The JOD. What is the name of your shop? Okay. So this is her business. JOD. JOD. And these are some of the things that they do. Oh, Toshiba, EC, Lenovo, Samsung. Okay, so this is like her shop. Actually, this is her shop, and this is where she does maintenance. There is something I want to show you, okay? I do YouTube. Yeah. Alright, so I'm done with the computer and I'm outside the mall. But this is what I wanted to show you. That is a night market. It's a night market selling food, street food. So I think you can see how it looks like. Yeah, let me try to show you. That is a night market. I don't think I've shown you this place before. But anyway, I'm coming to the end of this video, and I just wanted to let you know that I'm going back to my place. Alright? So right now behind me, that is the mall where I had taken my computer for repair, and this is a night market. Let's see what they're selling here. This one sells juice. This is Thai food. They do here some these are like Thai foods. Pork. That's where people sit when they buy something to eat. These ones, they have plantains. They do have plantains. This is something like vegetable meat. Yeah. Guys, check Wagwan, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed. And I know that every day we get new subscribers, so we do have the membership on this platform. Support me, support this YouTube channel. That membership starts from $2, $6, $7 to $10, and I know that it will help in the work of the channel. We love you, and I'm signing out. Blessings.